Hello guys, today we're gonna see uh, how to order directly in Pinduoduo with Alipay. Um, and this is really easy to do. The first step we're gonna do is we need to search or find a product like this one. Okay, once you have your product, you need to click in buy auction. Okay, if you have experience with this app, you you just need to add this product to your uh, shopping cart. Okay, this is really easy, and you only need to do uh, right here. Okay, once you have the this product in your screen, and then you're going to click to your product in the product auction. Clicking this auction right here in the corner. Okay, you're going to click right here, and here you're going to find your shopping cart. Okay, in this case, sometimes is this icon right here in this kind of application, or if you have luck, you're going to see this your product in this part right here. Once you have your product in your cart, in your shopping cart, you're going to click right here. Okay, and you're going to proceed with the purchase, clicking this button right here. And then once you select your product, you're going to select, okay, Alipay option right here, as you can see right here. And then you're going to click again this orange button to complete your purchase. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.